Hi, we're Group 5 from Tutorial 13, and we've chosen to digitally transform school-based communication. This presentation will tell you everything that you need to know about our product, Whiteboard. The changes from the current system will be discussed, along with the scope of our transformation. We'll then present who, when, and how customers will use the product, and finally take a look at the groups that would be impacted the most by the introduction of this system. Whiteboard is a centralized platform for school-based communication. It allows all participants in the schooling system to communicate where and whenever they want. It's not constrained only by communicating at school during school hours. The current system that schools use to communicate important information relies heavily on face-to-face encounters with other sub-optional technologies such as telephone calls and email. Whiteboard offers an alternative to this without devaluing those existing channels. Information that was previously difficult for parents to obtain from children, such as what homework has been set, is openly available through Whiteboard. It also offers online payment options incorporated within the web portal for increased ease of use. Whiteboard creates accounts for teachers, students, and parents. These parent accounts are tied to their child's student account, allowing them to receive progress reports, view upcoming significant calendar dates, order and pay for lunch of their child, and communicate directly with their teachers. The ability to pay online for school-related expenses is becoming more and more common, but through Whiteboard's centralized platform, the experience is made quicker and easier. General announcements and school-wide information is organized within the Information tab of the portal, so that students and parents know where to receive this information. Whiteboard allows students or parents to message teachers through the Communication tab. This message then waits for the recipient to receive and send a reply at a time and a place that is convenient for them. This asynchronous aspect of communication is a big improvement over the current system. Here's a quick look at the options available for parents, in particular through Whiteboard. All of these options will be explained further in the presentation. For a parent to make contact with a teacher in the past, they could meet the teacher at school, set up a phone call, or send an email, or try and do any one of these things through their child or administration. Whiteboard eliminates this hassle completely. So who will use this technology? Students, parents, teachers, administration, and other employees of the school, such as tuck-shop workers or groundskeepers, are the main groups that would use this technology. The students, parents, and teachers are the most actively involved. However, the other groups have the ability to broadcast important updates for other parties to receive. Our product will be used whenever communication needs to take place and whenever information is needed. These networks are examples of the times when it would be beneficial for the customer to use our product. This product has been developed with the goal of having a positive impact on as many groups as possible, while minimizing the negative impact on these groups. This focus on minimizing the negative impact has led us to build on top of our existing system, with no punishment for those that may not have the necessary technology to utilize Whiteboard. Additionally, this should be a small subset of people in the schooling system because of the availability of the hardware required. It is very uncommon for an individual to not have access to a device that could access a web browser or a smartphone. The groups of consumers that will be most positively benefited by Whiteboard are the students, teachers, and parents. Digitally native students would be the most likely to perceive the optimizations Whiteboard has introduced as useful and easy to use, and as such, are more likely to accept the technology based on the technology acceptance model. Widespread acceptance of Whiteboard would create a facilitating condition for teachers to complete their tasks, which would lead to more utilization and greater continuation of the network based on the task technology fit theory. The positive impact on parents could also be quantified using this theory. It is our hope that this presentation accurately outlined the concept of Whiteboard, the digital transformation, implementation, and how it differed from the current system was explained. Who, when, and how customers use this product was presented alongside a brief look into the impact Whiteboard would have on all involved groups. Thanks for listening.